Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale SEO strategies with SEMrush, full guide step by step clearly. To scale your SEO strategies with SEMrush, begin by creating a SEMrush account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various tools and reports. Start by conducting a comprehensive site audit. Click on the Site Audit tool and enter your domain to analyze your website's health. Review the key metrics such as errors, warnings, and notices to identify areas for improvement. Next, utilize the Keyword Magic tool to find relevant keywords for your niche. Enter a seed keyword to generate a list of related keywords, filtering by search volume and competition. Select a mix of short-tail and long-tail keywords to diversify your strategy. Then, proceed to the Position Tracking tool to monitor your chosen keyword's performance. Set up a new project and input the target keywords to observe their rankings over time. Analyze the SERP features for each keyword to understand how competitors are ranking. After that, turn your attention to the Competitive Research tool. Identify your top competitors and analyze their traffic sources and top-performing keywords. This will help you spot gaps in your current strategy. Utilize the Backlink Analytics tool to evaluate your own backlink profile. Analyze competitors' backlinks to discover new opportunities for link building. Next, implement on-page SEO improvements by using the On-Page SEO checker. Enter specific pages to receive tailored recommendations for optimization. Ensure your content is aligned with the keywords you've targeted. As you apply these changes, keep track of your website. Regularly review your traffic and ranking data to adapt your strategy as needed. Finally, create regular reports to monitor progress and effectiveness. Utilize the reporting feature in SEMrush to automate and customize your SEO reports. This will allow you to easily share results with your team or stakeholders. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to scaling your SEO strategies effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.